Hi everyone and welcome back again for another TradingView tips. In this video, I will show you how to set up multiple charts in TradingView so you can track different markets at the same time. But before we go, let me just remind you that you can only use this setup or you can only display multiple setup on your TradingView chart if you have a premium subscription. But let me walk you through it in case you have one. In your trading view, go and hover your mouse to the upper side and you will see the square icon. Click this one and you will see all different layout and different option. In most cases, most of the traders prefer to use 6 multiple layout so they can easily compare and see it. Okay, so this is how it usually look like. For example, if you choose 4 and if you choose this icon, this is how it will look like. So in the first part here, you can see your first chart. You can put your first chart, second chart, third chart, and fourth chart of different assets. So you can see all their movements at once. However, again, you need to have your premium subscription for you to be able to use this multiple layout. Now that you know how to set up multiple charts, start experimenting to improve your trading strategy. And if you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more trading view tips. See you in the next one.